Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 4 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more easy tutorials. So first of all, you have to open up a blank slide, clear out everything from it, and you have to copy an image for the background. Now let's paste it onto our template, increase its size. Now we have to cut it, go to format, picture texture fill, and we're gonna give it this picture fill from clipboard, and then we're gonna give it artistic effects of blur, increase the radius a bit. Now we're gonna insert this donut type shape, increase its radius, put it like half into your template, remove its outline, give it the shadow and the 5th number, and go to shape fill, give it the slide background fill. Next, you have to duplicate your background image and decrease its the radius. Now let's just paste your text, whatever the content text you want to use. Next, what you have to do is just insert this text and change its fill. Give it as the space for the lines, and I'm gonna give it some spacing between the lines. Here we go. Now what you have to do is just remove some part of it because it's too long, and then we're gonna insert a title text box in which I'm gonna type my title. What you have to do is increase its size, change its font. The font I'm gonna use is Carousel, and I'm gonna increase its size. Next, what you have to do is insert an outline just below it right here. Give it a fill of white color, and we're gonna insert a rectangle here. Type your text in it, remove its fill, give it an outline. And then we're going to change the fill of the text box as well. Now we're going to insert a straight line right onto the left side. Give it a fill of white. And then you have to do is just put a small circle on top of it. Remove its outline. Give it a fill of white. Duplicate it and make about 5 copies of it. And give the spacing to them and put them each on the line. That the first one is on one top corner and the final 5th circle is on the bottom corner. But make sure to change their numbering from 1 to 5. I'm gonna do it real quick. The next thing you have to do is put gaps between them. After putting them like this, what you are gonna do is select the first circle. So here we go. Now what you have to do is go to the first circle and increase its size. The next thing you have to do is duplicate your slide after increasing this first circle size. So after changing the font color, I'm going to duplicate the slide. Copy the other image, change all of the images with this image. So first of all, we're going to go to format background, clipboard the image. For this image, we're going to go to picture format, go to change picture, and from clipboard, and this way we have to re-give it the artistic effects. For the other stuff, we're gonna change the title and the content text, make the first circle smaller and increase the size of the second circle. The next thing you have to do is keep on duplicating your slides and changing the background images and the other images, and then changing the text as well. And make sure to rotate this donut shape on each of your template, and to change the circle size according to what number your template is. And we're gonna just speed up the process from here. So then you have to give the morph transition to all of your templates. And yeah, this is the final result of what we made this video. If you want this template for absolutely free, you can get this template for free from the link in the description below.